On this unbelievably quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay for Lyft rides with PayPal in the Lyft app. First things first, I'm going to pull up the app, of course. I'm going to click the icon in the upper left-hand corner. Once this pops up, this menu, I'm going to click Payment. Then once I do, I'm going to go all the way down and click Add Payment Method. Once I do, I'm going to go here. You can see a bunch of different options. Of course, PayPal is right there. I'm going to click PayPal. Once I do, this is going to pop up saying, hey, Lyft wants to use paypal.com to sign in. You sign in, connect it, and you're good to go. One last thing I want to mention on this video, just to be sure of, is that if you are paying with PayPal, and you want to use PayPal, of course, with Lyft, hence the point of this video, make sure when you order the ride that you are paying with PayPal, because on the Lyft app, you can pay in numerous different ways, whether it's PayPal, Venmo, credit card, debit card, etc., etc. And when you order a ride, make sure that the payment method when you're ordering that ride is PayPal, because sometimes, like I said, if you have multiple payment methods on your account, it might auto-select one or might select the most common one that you use. And if you want to specifically pay with PayPal, make sure that when you order that ride, the exact payment method you're using after you connect it is specifically PayPal.